This public service announcement is brought to you by Dan's world-famous ugly birdhouses. Hi guys, Dan here from Dan's world-famous ugly birdhouses once again, and election day is almost upon us. So what would be more patriotic than buying one of Dan's world-famous ugly birdhouses? I can tell you, letting me hold one of the positions that are up for vote. So if you can't decide this 19th of May, write in Dan DeGroodt from Dan's world-famous ugly birdhouses, and let's see if I can help you run your county better. Thank you very much, and remember to like us on Facebook.